Hey YouTube, here's a Ratchet and Clank going Commando glitch. First you have to have first person, then you do the wall scales glitch. If you don't know that glitch, just go on any YouTube video and find it out. Anyways, here's the glitch. You gotta be in first person mode. So what you do is wall scale up here. You can get out of first person mode now. Double jump. Go over here. You should be swimming. Oh, by the way, make sure the water inside is water, not ice. So you do that, then you swim out, and you can go anywhere on the entire planet without falling. You can jump, but you can't use your thruster pack, which really sucks. Anyways, yeah, that's the glitch. Thanks for watching. Bye.